Happening right now, a gruesome murder dismemberment case now in the hands of a jury. They are tasked with determining whether Edward Romero is guilty of killing 16-year-old Alicia Martinez or if he's not guilty by reason of insanity. 7 News reporter Lance Hernandez talking with the victim's mother just a short time ago. And Lance, she really questions Romero's claim of insanity.
Vanessa Martinez says Romero's behavior in court totally different from the behavior she'd seen him exhibit before. Prosecutors say before he was arrested, he was very outgoing, practically a social butterfly, hosting parties, phoning, texting friends. In court, he was much more subdued, much more reclusive, even to the point of covering his ears during much of the proceedings.
His conscience is killing him. He doesn't want to hear everybody saying the truth about him.
Vanessa Martinez says the last 2 weeks have been very difficult, learning disturbing details about how her daughter was killed.
I've actually glanced at one of the pictures. I mean, they weren't showing it to us, but I happened to glance at it, and that stuck on my mind for the rest of my life.
Prosecutors say Alicia Martinez was executed, shot twice in the head at a party at Edward Romero's house. They say Romero admitted killing the girl and asked for help cleaning up evidence after he dismembered her. Defense attorneys say Romero suffers from dissociative identity disorder with a fragmented conscience. They say Romero was insane when he killed Martinez. Prosecutors say the killing and cover-up were premeditated.
I knew how he was acting now was not him. It was all a show, just one big show.
Romero stared at the table, placed his forehead onto his folded hands, or covered his ears during the closing arguments. The Martinez family says it's all intentional.
I mean, what do you expect? He just did something so horrible and so ugly, you know, he's going to try to do what he can to get himself out of it.
Now, this is not a death penalty case. If he is convicted of first-degree murder, he could spend life in prison. If jurors find him not guilty by reason of insanity, he will be sent down to the state hospital in Pueblo. In downtown Denver, Lance Hernandez, 7 News.